In this video, we will demonstrate how you can use Polytomic to sync data from BigQuery to Marketo. Because we've already connected BigQuery and Marketo to Polytomic, our first step is to create our data model. So I'll go up here to the right and click Add Model. Select our connection or source system, which we already mentioned will be BigQuery. Next, we'll name the model. I will name it Customers. Here we can build this model using table select, and we can select the specific data set that we want to pull from. I'll choose Salesforce. Even though Polytomic could enable you to sync directly from Salesforce to Marketo, rather than having to send it to a data warehouse like BigQuery. But for the sake of this demo, we'll show you how to sync from BigQuery to Marketo. Next, we will select our table, and I will select the contact table. From here, we can select all fields to be part of this data model if we would like, but for the sake of this demo, I'm going to only select a few specific fields, including the last name, first name, and email address. Great. If we had previously created any other data models, we could join them here, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. Great. Now that that data model is saved, we can go ahead and set up our sync. So I'll go here and click Create Sync. Our destination system, as we mentioned, will be Marketo. Next, we select the target within Marketo, which we will target the leads object. Next, we can choose our sync mode. We can create records when they don't exist, but don't update existing ones. We can update existing records only, don't create new ones, or we can do a combination of the both. Update records when they exist and create them when they don't. We usually select this. Next, we have to map the fields together to make sure that the data is being sent to the correct fields within Marketo. So I am going to use the email address, and it automatically detected that field within Marketo, which is great. Next, we have to do the field mappings, first name, last name, which was automatically detected within Marketo, which is perfect. Next, we can set up model filters so that only data that matches certain criteria gets sent from BigQuery to Marketo. We can set up overrides. We can see a preview of the data if we'd like, but I'm going to just click Continue for now. Last, we set up our sync schedule, the frequency at which we want these syncs to conduct. We have a manual one-time sync, continuous, hourly, daily, weekly, custom schedule, or sync after type sync modes. I'm going to click Continuous and click Continue. From here, we can see a summary of our sync. We can change the name if we would like to. We can see the identity mappings and field mappings. And if everything looks good, we can go ahead and click Save. From here, we can run a test sync, which will sync 5 random records to Marketo to make sure that everything is flowing as we expected. But once everything looks good, we can go ahead and click this on to enable this sync, and the data will start to flow according to the schedule that you set. And there you have it. Now you can sync data seamlessly from BigQuery to Marketo.